Video. This is Trayon Jones. I see these packs on NBA Live GG, so I wanted to open these and share this video with you. So yeah, so we're gonna just push reveal all. You actually can pull anything from these packs, any card that's out actually. So the first one, I'm gonna push reveal all. We pull 84 World Barton, as you can see. Campus Hero set? I don't know. So Diamond next pack. Let's push reveal all again. So what we pull. Every time you see me shaking like this, you know it's an 87 or better overall card. So as you see on the first one, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 88 Doug McDermott. Next card, 1, 2, 3. 90 overall David Robinson. So we pulled some nice cards here. So next pack, this is my third pack. I'm addicted to these packs, so don't mind me. Third pack. See we got in these. You don't have any luck in these. Any shakes? Nope. As you see, we did pull 84 Hassan Whiteside, and we pulled 85 Paul Millsap, and actually 83 Antetokounmpo. So my best player. Well, not really my best player, but he's kind of good though. My fourth pack I'm gonna open. Then I'm gonna go on the leaderboard and see who people pull. There's another shake, so I'm gonna open this 1, 2, 3. 87 Jabari Parker, not a bad card. So we're gonna go to the leaderboard and see what people pull. So you see that people got 655 points. I'm gonna click on this dude and we're gonna see what he pulled. 87 Andrew Wiggins, 91 Clay. Sorry guys, that was just a call. 91 Magic Johnson, 85 Davis, and 89 Sean Kemp. So not bad. What do you somebody else pull? I don't know his name. I picked your mom. What? Come on now. We'll open one more pack and I'll be done with this video. So let's open these one by one this time. See what he pull anything. So look like me, I'm gonna lucky these by one. So go back to the reveal all. Oh, there we go. Oh, 84 Klay Thompson. Exactly what I needed. 88 Doug McDermott and 76 Matthews. So as you see, I am done with this video. Hope y'all like it. And I'll be doing some more videos of this. So Trayon Jones, peace out.